Today on Sea Kayak Life, we're going on a road trip.
You know, we always say you can never have enough kayaks, and we're always in the market for an upgrade, and it looks like we may have found one.
Now, you may have seen my old Neki Ilaho kayak on some of our earlier episodes. Well, today we're looking to replace that boat. I'm hoping for a little bit of an upgrade.
We're gonna have to go on a little bit of a drive because it's in Charlotte, North Carolina, but it looks good.
We'll do whatever it takes to get a good boat because it's all part of our Sea Kayak Life.
Before we start this episode, take a moment to like and subscribe to help us grow our channel.
Well, another road trip to find a kayak.
Isn't it funny that no matter, it's because of where we live, but no matter where we have to go, we end up driving through, as they say, hell and half of Georgia.
Well, hopefully this boat will be a good daily driver for me.
I mean, it looks like a great buy. I know, but I'm always nervous. It's a long drive, and I don't want to pull up and go, but no thanks.
Today we'll be driving through 4 states. We started this trip in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Then we drove through half of Georgia, cut across South Carolina, and went up into North Carolina. After 6.5 hours, we made it to the Charlotte area.
Oh, I see a kayak.
I see a kayak. That must be the place.
I bet that's the place. Well, it's a nice looking boat.
Oh, it's in very good shape.
It's in very good shape.
I love the color.
Yeah,
How's it feel?
feels pretty good.
This is nice. This is nice and big.
Well, let me sit in it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I love it.
It's nice.
I mean, for me, that's just the right angle. You know, to have a little torque. This cockpit size is very similar to my Atlantis, like very similar. It's in really good shape. Here, let me get that. Oh, nice, yeah.
Don't you think we ought to get this mark for sure?
100%, yes. I say let's do it.
We got a new boat. Well, we got the boat. It's in great shape.
It really is, and it's so crazy. It was just 4 days ago we were talking about maybe we should get a new boat for you, and we find the perfect one.
I'm really happy. It was a long drive getting here, but I think it's worth it.
Let's get to Chattanooga.
All right.
Check the strap. Yeah, you know the craziest thing, I saw that movie F1, and you know you have a Sea Kayak Life when you watch a movie about Formula One racing and you relate it to sea kayaking, which is like the slowest sport in the world.
It is.
But they had a part in the movie about how the Formula One design team, they're always going for speed, right? But there's another way to go about it, and that jumped out at me. The kayaks we've bought the past few years, we're going for speed, no doubt.
Yeah, yeah.
The Epics, the Valkyries is thought to be
One of the fastest plastic boats.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but really they talked in the movie about there's another way to go about a race because some racetracks you have a lot of turns and turbulent air, like it's real close, you know, and I thought, well, you know, most of our paddling is in turbulent water, big waves. And then also we got to carry a lot of gear now.
Yeah.
And honestly, the Valkyries aren't that fast when they're loaded with gear and you're going through, you know, rough topsy-turvy conditions and big waves. So is that even an advantage?
Yeah, the truth of the matter is, once there's rough water, there's wind, it kind of levels the playing field, so you might as well have something that's a little more rugged, comfortable, maybe stable, and can haul lots of gear.
I always liked my Atlantis, knowing that I can survive in it no matter what, you know. Is it the fastest boat? No. But you're right, in those conditions, it's just as fast as anything else.
Yeah.
Do you remember back in the day, there was a famous song, The Devil Went Down to Georgia?
Yeah.
Well, I was thinking about that today. Even the devil himself was on his way to somewhere and he had to go through Georgia. And maybe that's where the phrase, hell in half of Georgia came from. I don't know.
2 hours from home, Atlanta. The next day, we got an early start, excited to try out the Scorpio. This is the first skeg boat that I've owned. I have very little experience with a skeg, so I'm interested to see how the boat handles. Hopefully, I'll adapt quickly, but we know that we can always install a traditional rudder if needed.
I would be so happy if you just decide your skeg is...
Good enough?
Yeah.
Well, like, I just did that turn just with a little lean, even with the skeg down, and it was fine.
Like, what if you don't need a rudder?
What if I don't need a rudder?
It's one less thing to tear up.
So right now, I would say the skeg is all I need.
Because some people swear by them.
Oh, I know.
And see,
I mean, you want to start up an argument. If you want to start up an argument in the kayak community, you just say keg or rudder.
Yep,
Or
exactly.
I mean, skeg or rudder.
Well, keg too. But.
Yeah, kegs too. I mean, a lot of people are probably screaming at me, it's better, but you know, I don't know. I don't have the experience.
It's like a holy war.
It is a holy war. It's Mac versus PC.
It is.
It's Chevy versus Ford. Again, admittedly, I don't have a lot of experience with a skeg boat, but what I'm thinking about, Mark, you know, the main reason I always wanted a rudder is so I didn't have to adjust my stroke. But even with the skeg down, if I can still just adjust this with a little lean and I don't have to adjust my stroke, I may be fine with that.
Exactly, and I have forgotten that skill because of our Valkyrie and our Epics, which you can't really do that.
Right.
They're designed for the high paddling style. But in here, if I just tilt over, like, it's already going right. I don't even have to paddle.
Yeah.
It's just the shape of the boat makes it like turn, you know?
Right.
After a few miles, we decide to stop and do a little rolling practice. I always get a little nervous when rolling a boat for the first time. Every boat has a personality while paddling, and it also has a personality when rolling too. I always try to think through the roll before I do it. Often in a new boat, I'll make the mistake of rushing the roll and using power instead of using timing and technique. Thinking about what I need to do before I do the roll will lead to a better outcome.
The inaugural roll in the new boat. Easy peasy. All right, let's try a 360. Well, that wasn't very good. I had to power it up. I didn't use very good technique, I don't think. Let's try it again. That was better. I think I'm just gonna pop out and then pop back in.
It looks like the Scorpio will be a great addition to our kayak fleet. We've identified a list of things that we need to work on before we take this boat on a trip. But boat repairs and modifications, they're all part of our sea kayak life. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and share our channel with your friends. It's all free, so why not? Here's 2 more videos that I think you'll like.